Hello, this is Kirandeep Kaur and this video is regarding the major project that I made during BTech. As you can see clearly, the topic is RFID and biometric based library system. So present pain areas in library management system, we have many pain areas like management of tedious inventory process creates difficulty in record management, and we have barcode systems, and there are many drawbacks of the barcode reader. That is, the barcode type of library management system requires manual control, and also the barcode should have a direct line of contact with the barcode reader. So then an approach of RFID and biometric library was taken into consideration. This is fast, easy and most efficient, and patrons will have to spend less time waiting in checkout lines during self-check-in and checkout systems. And we can also have reminders for due dates on our mobile phones, and also biometric sensors allow easy identification of the patron. So in this project, the hardware we have used is Arduino board, the biometric sensor. We have an RFID scanner, that is the RFID module. We have an LCD display, issue and return buttons, and we also have implemented GSM module. So how this project works? First, on the LCD, welcome to the GNDC library system is displayed, and it is stated that the system is free to use. So now I'll scan my finger on the fingerprint module. So my details are now displayed on the library, on the LCD, that is my name and my roll number. So now I'll select whether I have to issue or return a book. So I'll issue. The glowing of the LED indicates that the issuing process is going on. So now I have various RFID cards. So we'll issue this book. Now I'll scan this book on the RFID scanner, and the details of this book are displayed there. So now I'll have to press issue again to confirm. So now my book has been issued. So this is a very simple procedure, and as you can also via GSM, a message is also sent to both the patron and the librarian with the details of the patron, the book, time and date. So after some time, the system it refreshes itself, and now the system is ready to be used by another student. There are many future scopes in this project, like we can introduce features like face detection, or we can also use printer or SD cards to store the data, and also we can implement Wi-Fi module that can also be used to store data on the library server, and anti-theft detection can also be introduced in the libraries. So this was all about the project. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.